Welcome back to the channel, guys. Got a fun one for you today. I'm in a 2024 hardtop convertible C8 Corvette, just completed. It is our stage 1 twin turbo package, and in front of me is a brand new 2023 hardtop convertible, 70th anniversary, completely stock. So I want to try to show you guys a few comparison runs, maybe one from a roll and then one from a stop, to kind of show you guys the difference, not only just by telling y'all horsepower numbers, actually seeing them side by side to get an idea of how much this performance package improves over a factory one. We're gonna have some fun. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this thing in track mode. I'm gonna turn traction control off. And I think the first race we're gonna try to do a second gear roll. So I'm gonna leave it in drive. I'm gonna try to downshift it into second gear, try to quickly hit it from there and see how we do. He got the jump on us, and then we just came running around him. Man, that was fun. This thing runs so good. We do have Toyo 888s on the back of it, so second gear right there. I was right under 4,000 RPMs when I rolled into it. It hooked and went. These things make a lot of torque at the hit. That's why he was able to kind of jump out, and then I think I pulled on him pretty quickly. That was fun. I'm gonna pull over here, check the cameras, make sure everything's working, and then if we can, I'll try to do the same thing from a stop. I showed y'all what this thing can do from a roll. Now let's try it from a dig.
Horsepower gains to custom enhancements, we deliver results. Late model Racecraft. We talking or we racing?
So how about that race, guys? A stock C8 Corvette versus our stage 1 twin turbo package. A lot goes into lining up a car side by side. It's fun for us to get to test these vehicles just by themselves. It's even that much more fun when we get to show you guys how much they perform over factory. So y'all got to see these cars run from a stop, which is your everyday guy just being a stoplight to stoplight, racing somebody, as well as a roll race, which is what I think 90% of our customers are probably doing. They do a lot of 50 to 100 mile an hour short accelerations. So I really want to try to show through these videos how well even our stage 1 twin turbo package performs compared to a stock vehicle. The torque and horsepower this thing makes, people always talk about turbo lag and stuff like that, but the way that we, for the size engine, a 6.2 liter pushrod engine, and the turbo size that we use with the AR housing, the exhaust housing, everything, there really isn't turbo lag per se. So when you hit this thing, even at 3,500, 4,000 RPMs, you have the boost right away, and I think it shows in a few of these videos. So also going back to the racing part, for those of you that do or do not know, when you're going from a stop or even from a roll, if someone floors it before you do, that 0.3, 0.4 seconds, I know like 4/10 doesn't sound like a lot, but it is a lot, especially from a stop and from a roll. So to be able to show you, I think in a couple of videos, the stock car took off before this one, and to show it, catch it pretty quickly and then drive away from it, to me it shows you how well this car truly performs. So I hope you enjoyed that. We will try to do more of this in the future as well, to show you like our stage 2 or in our stage 3 turbo packages versus stock vehicles, just so y'all can see how much farther it looks like it does compared to this one. But standing behind me is Mr. Christensen's car. From the video, I don't know how much y'all got to see from the outside of the racing, but now it actually looks completely different. So Mr. Christensen gave us the green light to do the full Fereday Aero Package is what we call it. Y'all can see the carbon fiber. You walk to the front, the carbon fiber front spoiler. Y'all can see how much wider, how far it sticks out over from the factory, from the side. To me, it looks so well. And again, this real carbon fiber, this is no cheap aftermarket aero components that we use and install here. So you have the front, as well as a beautiful carbon fiber side skirt. And then to me, one of the favorite parts of it is the carbon fiber spoiler, which I call like the duckbill spoiler. The way this aero package looks from the front, from the side to the back, it just looks so much better than stock, in my opinion. The lines it gives it from the side, the lines it gives it from the front, and the spoiler, it's, in my opinion, the best way for a C8 Stingray body to look. So y'all can see the aero package is done. We also went ahead and did our full PPF and ceramic coating. So we went ahead and did paint. It is a 2024. So again, most of our customers do have new vehicles. These are expensive vehicles. You want to protect your vehicles. So Mr. Christensen was no different. We went ahead and did full paint correction, even though it is a 2024. Full paint correction. Then we do the, we do I wanted to pause. All right, so we do full paint correction. After the paint correction, we do the clear bra, which again is, we call it the high impact Corvette. So it is a clear bra from the front, from here, all the way to here. We don't wrap the entire car. It's pretty much from the front here, as well as we do the mirrors, and then all the rocker panels as well. So for you road race guys, we want to make sure that any rocks that get kicked up, there will be no scratches. And any of you guys that live here in Houston, you are driving on I-10, y'all know what I'm talking about when it comes to 18-wheelers and rock chips. So we want to protect the vehicle as much as possible. So worst case scenario, 3 years from now, 5 years from now, there are rock chips that say hit that clear bra. You just rip that clear bra right off and the paint looks brand new. So after the clear bra gets put on, then they do the full ceramic coating, which makes washing your car and keeping it clean that much easier. So full aero done, PPF, ceramic coating, and the beautiful MMR wheels front and back with new Michelins on the front, Toyos on the back for traction. Like I said, this thing's making, I think it made 663 rear-wheel horsepower, so we're just gonna call it a solid 650 rear-wheel horsepower car. With the torque it makes, those tires, in my opinion, are a must. So if you wanna go from a stop like we did, if you wanna go from a low roll, like a second gear roll, the Toyos are a must, so this thing will hook up and go. With traction control even off, it'll haze the tires and go. So all in all, this car turned out beautifully. Y'all can see the wrap as well. We added the full black on top. The black, it looks like a carbon flash here because it is a hard top convertible. I love the way that looked. To me, this makes it look like an exotic vehicle when we add this to it. And then he also wanted the front stripe done as well. And I think it turned out flawless with the Aero kit because you got the carbon flash. This is all carbon flash, and same with the entire roof being done. So all in all, again, this car turned out horsepower-wise perfect. It's a perfect daily driver, perfect weekend toy, and it looks absolutely incredible. So those of you guys out there with a C8 platform looking for something similar, go to our website, fill out an inquiry. If you want more than this, we obviously have stage 2, stage 3, stage 4s. This is kind of our starting point for a turbo kit. We actually added a clutch to this one as well because he does plan on racing it and enjoying it a lot on the weekends. So this is our complete stage 1 turbo package with an upgraded clutch. Now it's time to play.
Yeah.
So like right now we're in 4th gear cruising. Like someone pulls up next to you, I could just downshift into 2nd gear like this. Woo! You hear the bypass valves when we get off?
Holy shit.
Feel good, right?
Oh, wow.
But that's with the Toyos on the back. So I tested it the day yesterday before you came with your stock tires on it, and right there it was just even with traction control on, it was kicking in so hard it just didn't even want to try. I had to do like 3rd gear pulls.
Justin's going to get new tires and rims for it.
Okay.
And then Aero kit.
Awesome.
And he's going to send it over to get the roof wrapped.
Awesome. Are you going to do the Aero kit, like the front, the side skirt, and the rear spoiler, like I call it the duckbill?
Right.
Awesome.
That's unbelievable.
There are a lot of guys that modify vehicles that literally have never done it before, and some of them are scared to modify their vehicles about how it might sound, how it might drive. I just want to share with you guys how well this car drives. This package and the package that we do when it comes to the turbo kits for these C8s, they literally drive like stock vehicles until you get on it. The clutch that we use for this particular package drives like a factory clutch. You will not know anything's done to this thing until you step on the throttle. And then when you let off, you hear the turbo sounds when you're flooring it and the bypass valves when you let off. But I just wanted to throw that in there because again, some people have modified vehicles for years and they understand what they're getting into. Some people are on the internet and they're like, oh man, do I want to modify my brand new car? What's it going to do? How's it going to sound? Again, if y'all have questions, shoot us an email, give us a call. But I want to particularly point out that this package here for you C8 owners out there, this is the package for you if you want to have anybody hop behind the wheel and drive it. If your wife needs to take this thing to go get gas or go to the grocery store, she can hop in this thing, put fuel in it, and have nothing to worry about. Sorry, just wanted to add that to this video because of how well this vehicle drives, and the proof is we have 3 more right behind it that I'll be able to share with you guys as well. So with that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And like I said, we will try to get more of stock vehicles versus some of our performance packages, just to give you guys an idea of the difference. And then also I want to end with, y'all can see we're kind of in a different shooting location right here. The new shop is taking longer than expected. The city with permits it just sucks, I'll just say that, but it is getting done. We will have it done this year, but I hate cars sitting outside. Our shop is overcrowded. We are super busy, so we went ahead and expanded. We have another 3,000 square feet over here, fully AC'd. So in future content, you'll be able to see cars being built in an AC environment, as well as a nice kind of showroom area for when customers fly in town to look at their cars. We can bring them here, show them their vehicles, and go take them for test drives. So hope you enjoyed this, guys. If you have any questions, please comment below about our packages, and hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Give it a like if you liked it so far. And please turn on bell notifications for future content, as we have cool stuff in the pipeline that you're going to want to see. And as always, please comment below.